Okay, so this is what it says. Use this menu to access your things. So, is this your geography class as well? Were you doing geography?
Yeah, I'm doing geography.
Okay. So then, this is where you go to see what's up. So this will take you to your algebra class. And so then you need to make sure you read through any announcements that are here first. So like this says, the welcome letter for the course is located in the class resource tab, which we'll get to. Please feel free to reach out. Our teachers are available 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, and here's an email. Okay, before submitting assignments, please make sure you're using the assignment checklist to view all assignments. It's located in the classroom. Resources to see how you'll be assessed. Do not use the rubrics that are linked in the course. Okay. Download the document below and save it to your computer.
We don't need to do that, do we?
No, do you want to print it though?
Sure.
I like to print things. And have like a notebook. Do you have a 3-ring binder?
I do, but not with me.
Okay. Let's see if we can get it to come up. Okay, then this says famous mathematicians, Nicolai Fontana Tartaglia. Not sure what that is. Okay, view feedback. To get your assignments and tests, follow these steps. Click on student dashboard, my grades. You'll see a blackboard in the house. You hover over it, the link will say Blackboard Home. Click on that link, you'll see the grades. So there's not going to be any here right now, but if you follow this exactly, it'll open it. There's not going to be anything to click on. Okay, so it said to go here. So here's the welcome letter. Why does it need me to do that? Do you have an email for them?
I can give them an email. I don't know if I have.
No, I mean, do you have one?
Yeah, I have an email.
With them?
I have no idea. I don't think so.
Wait, to access your student's account, no.
Let me check if they sent me an email.
Let's see. Click to find out information on how to resubmit assignments that have been resent by your teacher. Okay, so here's your syllabus.
I don't have anything from Keystone. Yeah, I don't have. Oh, wait.
Wow. Is this just... This is just part 1?
I sure hope not. I'm just taking the first semester.
Enter a new start date. So your new start date is, let's put May 24th. I don't know what your end date is. Let's just put like August 1st. When do you need to be done by this?
I don't know until you finish it, I guess.
Okay, well, I'm going to put July 24th. That gives you 2 months.
Alright. This stinks.
Are you looking at this?
Yeah.
This tells you every single assignment, how much it's worth. This is just for Unit 1. Unit 2. So you probably need to print that, but I don't want to print that. I'm like, how many? A lot of pages. How many pages is that? Let's just.
1, 2,
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21.
Let's do this now. I just printed 1 through 4. That's for writing. I'm hoping there shouldn't be that much writing in there. That's if you have issues, what to do. So if something doesn't work, then come in here and watch that.
Okay.
And that was under technology tips. There's no board discussions for this course. There's your handbook, academic integrity. Okay, let's see what's under here. So this is if you need help.
Okay.
This is where you go. And so then it says email template. Make sure you put your first and last name, your course, your unit, and what your thing is. There's probably not. Oh boy. What's your username?
K.
No, H.
H.
Under
50 something or something like that.
59. You'll have this memorized. GT. Pre.
K.
K. RCY. These are just some helpful
Stuff.
Yeah, this is a helpful calculator tool. Okay. So then this is each of your units. So when you want to see your grades, you would click in here. But there's nothing there yet. So let's look at this first one, just to see how we do it. Okay. So each of these is a link. So for this numbers and expression, there's 5 things. Really, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cause
Goodness.
I'm not close to these things.
Goodness.
Let's see what's going on. So this gives you, if you click up there, you get definitions.
Alright.
I might have to go problem solve.
Yes, so what?
Well, I mean, it's not
Not
loading,
loading.
so I might have to go back. Resources, tech. Let's see. Changing default audio player. Okay, so this is how to clear browsing history. Is that all on the same thing? Oh, corresponding course plugin errors. Okay, so that might, let's see what this is. This target refers to a specific instance where an error is received. Use content. Make sure you have the most recent version of Adobe Flash Player. I should have it. Once it's enabled, restart and log in. Difficulty that. We did that. We did that. This is very thorough. We're gonna go back and try it again. So you see in here, then there's all of these.
Mm-hmm. What's that right there? The tet or the quiz? Oh, it's the quiz. How far down does it go?
Well, that's it.
But this stuff should be easy, right?